This is a series designed to welcome you to the Congregational Federation's training courses, and the intention is simply to provide us a short series of supports that will help with your enjoyment and access to the course. So the intention is to make the courses approachable and enjoyable. This is the first of 6, and the reason for this one is to explain the approachability of the course and the accessibility of it. First of all, and this is something that few people immediately grasp, the guiding principle is, if in doubt, ask. The course is designed to be accessible, and all of the tutors and all of the management will know something about everything, so if there's anything that distresses you, just ask. The other thing is that the website, which is called Congle, has lots of resources on it. This series is not intended to replace those resources, it's intended to direct you to the right ones. The course is entitled CIPT, Congregational Institute for Practical Theology. One of the things that becomes obvious after a while is the practical nature of it. It is very important. It's based in practical Christianity, and it would be vital to approach the course with the intention of increasing your ability to be practically Christian. And it's also congregational. So unlike many other courses, there are no pre-approved or no set answers. The intention is to increase congregational ethos by encouraging you to think through and debate with other people in our mutual pilgrimage towards finding out what it is that God wants us to do. In this section, it's also important to point out that there are 2 sorts of assessment. So the course is intentionally related to academia, even though it's practical, and in that intention there are 2 sorts of assessment. You are expected to do both formative and summative assessments, and they in themselves sound menacing. It is simply that a formative assessment is designed so that the tutors can see how far you're progressing with the material. It does not contribute towards the sum total of the grade that you're given, but it does contribute towards your ability to be able to acquire the maximum amount of marks. It is important to be successful because it's discouraging not to be. Summative assessments are the ones that relate to academic standards, and there are therefore those that are marked, and you will be assessed, but you will also be given extensive and helpful feedback, which is checked by the tutors and York St John University for its use. So in essence, number one in the series of 6 introductory talks is, please be aware of the fact that the course is extremely accessible. The tutors will be crestfallen if you don't ask questions. And secondly, that the resources are there to be used. Please don't feel that they are in any way theoretical or inaccessible. It's all about developing in our relationship with God and each other, and it's for that reason it's intended to be exciting and interesting, and please don't approach it in any other way. That's the first.